Polygons in the coordinate planes. Part 2. We have this formula before. The distance between 2 points and the midpoint of a line segment, the sum of x divided 2 and sum of y divided 2. And the slope is y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Okay?
Okay.
Now, if we have a parallelogram, already we have parallelogram. This parallelogram, when is a rhombus? When the parallelogram is rhombus, what can tell me? For example, the red polygon is a parallelogram. Already parallelogram as a given, okay?
Yes.
This A, B, C, D is a parallelogram. He asked, is A, B, C, D is a rhombus? A, B, C, D a rhombus? When the shape is a rhombus? If already is a parallelogram. Who can tell me?
The diagonals are congruent, Mr.
Assalamu alaikum.
Diagonals are congruent
Yes,
in rectangle, not rhombus. If the two diagonals
perpendicular are not
excellent.
perpendicular.
Yes, perpendicular. Okay, Khalid? If the two diagonal perpendicular, then the parallelogram it will be
Perpendicular or not perpendicular?
perpendicular.
Perpendicular.
Yes.
Okay.
Now, when the two line segments are perpendicular, what is the rule? These ones.
The rule?
What?
Slope. Yeah,
Excellent slope. If we have two slopes of the two diagonals, what can I do to prove the two diagonals are perpendicular?
Can we see the opposite sides first are parallel or not?
No. Already each two opposite sides are parallel because this shape already is a parallelogram. He said, is the parallelogram A, B, C, D a rhombus? He said, this shape is a parallelogram.
Yes.
Now, as you said, Muhammad, the slope of AC and the slope of BD. Then, what's the next step? One of them is 5 over 6 and the other negative 3 over 2. The two lines are parallel if the two are equals, right?
Yes.
And the two lines are perpendicular if what? Their product is what?
Their product.
When we multiply them together, the answer it will be negative.
Yes, multiply them.
Negative what?
Negative 3. No,
Negative
no.
1.
Negative 1, yes.
Excellent, Khalid. Negative 1.
Negative.
When we multiply the two slopes, the answer is negative 1 here.
15 over 12.
Of course,
Yeah.
no. This number is negative 1.
Not this number, Mr. No.
No.
This is
Then
not negative
the two
1.
diagonals not perpendicular. What's the meaning of two diagonals not perpendicular? Then the shape is rhombus or not rhombus?
Not rhombus.
Not rhombus.
Not rhombus.
If we multiply the two slopes and the answer here is negative 1, then the two diagonal perpendicular, then the shape is
Rhombus.
rhombus. Got it?
Yes.
Any other way? Who can tell me another way without slope by using the distance between 2 points? When the
Without
shape is
slope?
a parallelogram, I will tell you. The other way, if all sides are equals, the parallelogram is rhombus, right?
Yes.
Already this shape is a parallelogram, means this side equals this side and this side congruent to this side. Then only one just prove that any two adjacent or consecutive sides are congruent. If AB and AD are congruent, the length of AB and the length of AD congruent, then the parallelogram is rhombus. Easy?
Rhombus. Yeah.
Okay, next one. This shape, this parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, or square, or none, of course. The first step, POST is a parallelogram or not parallelogram? He said, number one, the parallelogram is a rhombus. The parallelogram is a mosaic. Another one, this shape, already parallelogram, is a rhombus, rectangle, or square. Okay, consecutive sides, sides after each other or beside each other, and they are equals, like this one. Look, LM, MN after each other must be common letter, okay?
Okay.
Oh yeah.
They are equals?
Yes.
Yes, يبقى
رمبس أظن.
excellent, excellent.
Rhombus.
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 أيوة شبك.
أيوة في
في.
Okay, this one, RSTV, RS and ST, two sides, adjacent two sides. The negative one, perpendicular, صح?
Rhombus. Rhombus.
No,
Perpendicular.
No. لا rectangle.
excellent, rectangle. This parallelogram is rhombus or no? Adjacent side. 3
يعني
root
يا
5.
مستر بس ما فهمتش أنا النيجاتيف 1 يعني منين تجي النيجاتيف 1؟
If we have two slopes and their product is negative 1, then they are perpendicular. Previous lesson, if the slope of two line segment, their product is negative 1, then I perpendicular. Okay? Now, consecutive sides, they are equals?
No.
No. Then this shape not rhombus, only rectangle, because perpendicular, side perpendicular, has right angle, rectangle. Easy?
Yes.
The other one, the slope of the first is 1 and the slope of the second is negative 1, their product is negative 1, they are perpendicular. Then the shape is, until now,
Rectangle.
rectangle. Check, is rhombus or no? 3 root 2, 3 root 2, rhombus. Rhombus and rectangle, it will be excellent square. Easy lesson.
Yes. يعني يا مستر حتكون الثلاثة يا مستر سكوير ورمبس and rectangle.
Yes, we said that before. If the parallelogram is rhombus and rectangle, it will be square. أيوة يا حازم.
اللي فوق دي يا مستر لما تبقى نيجاتيف 1 الاتنين ولا واحدة بس؟
لا البرودكت بتاعهم times easy.
Yes.
Okay, thank you. We have finished.